Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start immediately by trimming the palm jaggery into 2-3 centimeter pieces so moisture moves uniformly. Once cut, wipe each piece with a dry, clean cloth to remove surface dust. Do not use water because it dissolves sugar and invites spoilage. Place pieces into a sterilized, fully dry airtight glass or food-grade tin container. Make sure the container is cool and dry before packing. This first step prevents trapped moisture that causes sweating later and sets up long-term stability. You now remove residual moisture. Sun dry for 1 to 2 hours or use an oven set to 50 degrees C for 20 to 30 minutes. The goal is gentle dehydration, not melting. Once done, include moisture absorbers, 1 to 2 silica gel packets or a tablespoon of plain rice inside a small breathable cloth to keep humidity low. Make sure to layer jaggery on parchment paper and avoid tight stacking or direct metal contact, because airflow and a neutral barrier prevent clumping and metallic off flavors over time. You complete the process by sealing the container and placing it in a cool, dark spot with stable temperature. 15 to 20 degrees Celsius is ideal. Once stored, check the jar monthly and feel for any sweat or softening. If you detect it, open, re-dry quickly in a low oven, and replace the moisture absorber. If mold appears, cut away at least 1 centimeter from the affected area. Make sure to reheat and reseal only small incidents. Discard the batch if contamination is extensive to avoid health.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.